We are inviting our chief guest, His Excellency, High Commissioner of India to Brunei Darussalam, to be on the stage, accompanied by Tirumadi Kaveri Bhupalan மற்றும் Tirumadi Kaveri Bhupalan மற்றும் His Excellency coming onto the stage. Thank you. May we invite the following award recipients to come forward as their names are announced. Darshan Rajesh Kumar.
Darshan Rajesh Kumar, in recognition of his academic excellence for achieving 7 A's in the SPE examination. Darshan Rajesh Kumar.
Darshan Rajesh Kumar has secured 7 A's in SPE. அடுத்ததாக Sherlyn Lovelyn ஞானரத்தினம். Sherlyn Lovelyn ஞானரத்தினம், in recognition of receiving the gold medal in 58th Annual Chemistry Olympiad. Sherlyn Lovelyn ஞானரத்தினம் has received gold certificate in Chemistry Olympiad through 2026. Sherlyn Lovelyn, please.
Next, Akshita Gopinath Lakshmi, in recognition of her academic excellence for achieving A star in economics in Pearson EdExcel International Advanced Level Examination. Next,
அடுத்ததாக Akshita Gopinath Lakshmi, in recognition of her academic excellence for achieving an A star in economics in the Pearson EdExcel International Advanced Level Examination. Congratulations to all our award recipients. Congratulations. We are proud of your accomplishments and wish you continued success in all your future endeavors.
thank you, Your Excellency. May we kindly request you to remain on the stage, please.
Now we would like to take a moment to express our sincere appreciation to our valued event sponsors. May we kindly request His Excellency to present the mementos. Now we invite the following event supporters to come forward and receive their mementos. முதலாவதாக IRS Centurion Berhad, Avanku.
Again. We kindly take this moment to express our appreciation for the event supporters.
Avanku Shamariza Lindra, Managing Director of IRS Centurion Berhad. அடுத்ததாக Exceltech Solutions Centurion Berhad, Mr. Kumar, Operations Manager. Avanku Shamariza Lindra, Managing Director of IRS Centurion Berhad. Exceltech Centurion Berhad, Mr. Kumar, Operations Manager. Okay. Mr. Kumar from Exceltech Solutions Centurion Berhad. Mr. Kumar. அடுத்ததாக SAT Synergy, Mr. Thiruvendan. Mr. Thiruvendan from SAT Synergy. அடுத்ததாக Shridilaya, Mrs. Manchula Sasidaran from Shridilaya. Mrs. Manjula Sasidaran from Shridilaya. திருவேந்தன் இப்போது SAT Synergy-க்காக வாங்கி கொண்டிருக்கிறார். அடுத்ததாக Shridilaya, திருமதி Manchula Sasidaran, please. Our next recipient is Mr. Sathisan, Operation Director from Zainal Dawood Centurion Berhad. Mr. Sathisan, Operation Director, Zainal Dawood Centurion Berhad. Zainal Dawood Centurion Berhadiலிருந்து Mr. Sathisan, Operation Director. அடுத்ததாக next is Serikandip Group of Companies, Centurion Berhad, Mr. Harry Stephen, General Manager, Commercial and Business Development. Mr. Harry Stephen from Serikandi Group of Companies. Mr. Harry Stephen. Harry Stephen from Serikandi Group of Companies. எல்லாருமே நல்ல கை தட்டலாமே. Even sponsors with அடுத்ததாக Mr. Angamuthu, QAQC Manager from Tendril Centurion Berhad. Mr. Angamuthu, QAQC Manager from Tendril Centurion Berhad. Angamuthu Raja from Tendril. Thank you to all the event sponsors. And next one is Talk Solutions. Talk Solution, Mr. Philip. Mr. Philip from Talk Solutions. Next is our donation. Presentation culture is not only about preserving our tradition, but also about giving back. Talk Solutions? Yeah. We are moving on to the next one. It's a donation presentation. Culture is not only preserving our tradition, but also giving back to the community. May we kindly invite our General Secretary, Mrs. Divya Laulin, and Mrs. Gomadi Govindaraj to join the stage. May we invite Tuan Mohammad Shazwan bin Nordin. May we invite Tuan Mohammad Shazwan bin Nordin, Penalong Pegawa, Dera Balite, to the stage to receive the donation on behalf of Tabung Amal Anak Anak Yatim Dera Balite. So on behalf of Tuan Mohammad Shazwan bin Nordin, Mr. Bhupalan is collecting the donation. Thank you. It's a token of, some kind of social service to the giving back to the community.
Can we give a good round of applause for our contribution? Thank you, Your Excellency, and thank you for your patience. And again, we kindly request you to stay on the stage to continue. No, His Excellency, please stay on the stage to continue our event supporters. And thank you, Dr. Divya Laulin, to take your seat. Okay. As a token of gratitude, we will now again present mementos to our event supporters. We are continuing that. We now invite the following event supporters to come forward to receive their mementos. CNK Corporate Service Indian Berghad, Ms. Catherine Girija Vishwanathan, Managing Director. CNK Corporate Service Indian Berghad, Ms. Catherine Girija Vishwanathan.
Tirumadi Catherine Girija Vishwanathan, Managing Director of CNK Corporate Services Indian Berghad.
And next, LFS Indian Berghad, Mr. Abdul, Operations Manager. LFS Indian Berghad, Mr. Abdul, Operations Manager. Next, we welcome LFS Indian Berghad, Mr. Abdul, Operations Manager. Next, CYZ Indian Berghad, Mr. Ashfar Yassin, General Manager. CYZ Indian Berghad, Mr. Ashfar Yassin, General Manager. Next, Daniel Engineering Indian Berghad, Ms. Priscilla Pratap, General Manager. Daniel Engineering Indian Berghad, Ms. Priscilla Pratap, General Manager. Next, Daniel Engineering Indian Berghad, Ms. Priscilla Pratap, General Manager. And next, Uttama Khan Indian Berghad, Mohammad Hamdan, Deputy Director. Mr. Mohammad Hamdan, Deputy Director and Head of Project. Uttama Khan Indian Berghad, Mr. Mohammad Hamdan, Deputy Director and Head of Projects.
Uttama Khan Indian Berghad.
Next, Pustaka Hal Madina Indian Berghad, Mr. Mohammad Humar Al bin Haji Sabruddin. Next, Pustaka Hal Medina Indian Berghad, Mr. Mohammad Umar Al bin Haji Sabruddin.
Pustaha Madina Indian Berghad, Mr. Muhammad Omar.
Next, Adinin Works Engineering Indian Berghad, Mr. Prem Kumar, QA QC Manager. Adinin Works Engineering Indian Berghad, Mr. Prem Kumar, QA/QC Manager.
Mr. Prem Kumar from Adenine Works and Engineering, St. Etienne Berhad.
Next, SE Company, St. Etienne Berhad.
Adenine Works and Engineering, St. Etienne Berhad. Mr. Prem Kumar, QA/QC Manager.
Next, SE Company, St. Etienne Berhad, Mr. Rajivan, General Manager. SE Company, St. Etienne Berhad, Mr. Rajivan, General Manager.
Mr. Rajivan from SC Company, St. Etienne Berhad. Miss Iza. Next is Delhi Darbar, Miss Iza. Miss Iza from Delhi Darbar.
Ms. Iza from Delhi Darbar. Next, Pusat Insani, Ms. Leena.
நிறைய கை தட்டலாம் ஏன்னா இவங்களோட ஒத்துழைப்பு இல்லாமல் பண்ணவே முடியாது இந்த மாதிரியான நிகழ்ச்சிகளை ப்ளீஸ் யா மிஸ் லீனா ஃப்ரம் புசட் இன்சானி இந்த ஹாலில் நிறைய சப்போர்ட் பண்ணதில் இவங்களும் ஒருத்தாங்க கேன் யூ கிவ் எவ்ரிபாடி இன்க்ளூடிங் ஹர் அ பிக் ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் அப்ளாஸ் யா
Next, Mr. Bhubalan for Indian Association of Belite. Mr. Bhubalan for Indian Association of Belite. Thank you to all event supporters and thank you for your continued support. Thank you, Your Excellency, for your patience and support.
Thank you,
so much.
Your Excellency, for your very much patience and support.